Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today, we're showing you the sheepskin steering wheel cover. This is in the pearl sheepskin and just a really nice, comfy way. I mean, sometimes I get into my vehicle driving for early morning church or going to the gym and their steering wheel is freezing. So this is a great way where you can get in and not have to feel like you want to put on gloves to touch your steering wheel. And it also protects your steering wheel. That's obviously one of the main reasons to cover it, is to have a cover over there. But it goes on like this. You just hook it around the top like that, and then you're gonna pull with both hands on the sides like this, down, and then hook it over. Really simple install there, and it's just super comfy and just a great way to protect your steering wheel, and then also just a lot more comfortable steering wheel as you're driving. You can get started with your steering wheel cover if you want to do that. Again, go to coversandcamo.com. Thanks.